Okay, it is September 13th, Tuesday, and this is a quick update for Million Token. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, so Million Token is kind of going parabolic at the moment. I think we're comfortably above $3. We had a whale buying on PancakeSwap or the Binance Smart Chain lately. I think he stopped buying about 3 hours ago, but right now he has 2,560 just in this one wallet on the Binance Smart Chain. And you can see here, starting 3 hours ago, he's been buying roughly 60 or so at a time. That's all on one page here. You have to go to the second page. It looks like he started buying like 5 hours ago. And I didn't add these up yet, but it looks like about 30 buys of about 60 tokens a pop. Although here he bought 100. Here he bought 44. So, I'm just guessing. So I don't know. Maybe his average price was 310 or so. So he spent about maybe $5,000, $6,000. I haven't done the math, but the main thing I want to point out is, if you're going to be buying a lot of Million Token, you would be getting a lot more for your money if you just bought it on the Ethereum blockchain. So I have Uniswap up here. If you had, let's just say on the low point of 5,000, and I'm sure this individual probably paid more than $5,000 in the last 24 hours for Million Token. But that would give you, let's say, like over 1,200 Million Token or 1,200. And on PancakeSwap, that saved 5,000. Looks like it'll give you about 492. So not even half. And even if you were concerned about fees, you can get it on QuickSwap on the Polygon network, and your same 5,000 is going to get you 1,148. Not as much as the Ethereum blockchain. And the fees are showing you right here on the Ethereum blockchain of about $5.32. So right now, at the time I'm broadcasting this live or recording it, the fees are kind of low. So I know people get comfortable, if you were shown how to buy it on PancakeSwap, but the liquidity there is so low, like it doesn't take a lot of buying or selling to move the price. And this particular whale, when he buys so much on PancakeSwap and pushes the price up so high, let me go ahead and find it here. Like he pushed it up all the way up to like, it's off the chart here. Look at this. I haven't touched it since yesterday. So just above $8, you're going to have some individuals moving their Million Token from Ethereum blockchain or some other blockchain onto the Binance Smart Chain. They'll just bridge them over and dump on you, basically. So that's why you have this giant wick down. So, just be aware. It's good that you're buying, but you can get more for your money if you just buy large amounts of, if you're paying a large amounts of for your Million Token and dollar amounts to get it on the Ethereum blockchain, but that's where the liquidity is better there. So that's the main news. Is there anything else on my Twitter page? I got the link to his wallet on my Twitter page, or you could just look for it using any one of the charting tools. And I think right now in the 7-day, we're up. It was 341 a moment ago, 20% last 7 days. Bitcoin up 14%, and ETH is up 7.5%, which seems quite disappointing because, the ETH merge, you think there'd be a lot of hype and everything. Let's just go into DEX tools and look at a Million Token on the daily chart. This is the Ethereum blockchain. As you can tell, it looks like it was going parabolic there, which I would say it is. Just zooming out a little bit, what I can kind of see is we could be forming an ascending triangle. We've got this. Let me get this trend line tool here. It looks like it could be kind of doing something like this. I'm not sure where to draw these lines right now, but just, we're kind of sloping upward from the very, very lows, going sideways really since mid to late June. And once we break this upper band here of around $3.30 on the Ethereum blockchain, where there's more liquidity, maybe that could become a new floor. We'll just wait and see. Zooming out, we're looking at the moving averages here. I got the 21, 50, 100, and the 200 moving average. And we're above everything except the 200 moving averages is red line here. So that could be a sign of a reversal. The last time we were above those moving averages, we had pumped, let's say when we were above it. Well, we did pump quite a bit of about 130% or so. But what I like seeing is the slope. The slope of the moving averages are now kind of going sideways. So we were in this downward price range, and not only is price moving sideways, but the moving averages, the slopes are moving sideways. So, and I think we're going to get some bullish crosses, right? We've got the yellow line, the fast moving average. I'm thinking that's the 21 moving average. It looks like it's going to cross right here, the blue line, which is most likely the 50 moving average. But yeah, when these fast moving averages cross the slow moving averages, that looks quite good. And well, you know, if we get above the support resistance of around 330, maybe we'll come get resistance at the $4 mark where the 200 moving averages. We just have to wait and see how that goes. So that's the news today for Million Token. I wasn't planning on doing frequent videos, but I thought it was nice to see some price action on the Binance Smart Chain, and hopefully that individual will learn something from this video. And if they want more Million Token for the money, if you're buying large amounts, just to stick with Ethereum right now. I noticed they had they were buying with wrapped BNB, I believe, right? Like, we'll just take a look at this last purchase. So yeah, they're swapping it with the wrapped BNB for Million Token. So you could always just convert that over to, I mean, I suppose you could probably have that on the Ethereum blockchain. You just have to bridge it over. If you're worried about bridging fees, you could probably use something like crypto.com. I know the fees are pretty cheap there, and they bridge between Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and Ethereum pretty cheap. But I've talked about liquidity and how to do all this stuff in my previous videos. But if you need me to go over it again, leave me a comment down below. And let's see what else we have here. Just take a quick look at Bitcoin, 22,614. And we're still above that RSI I was talking about yesterday, which is good. Now, after I made that video, it was announced that Michael Saylor was going to sell some of his stock to buy Bitcoin, like $500 million worth of 500 million. So I think this could be just the market front running Michael Saylor again. And after he buys, we'll probably see another spike in crypto, where there's Bitcoin and the altcoins. And then once his buy orders are in, the people that are buying now are probably going to dump on him, unfortunately. And we'll just see where we are with the ETH merge at that time. I haven't heard anything new about that yet. So that should be going through this week. And I wonder if, I don't have up right now, but I think the last time I checked, the million pool was like 320,000 tokens. And the APY was like above 20%. So I assume that is still going on. Well, I want to keep these short. So if you like this content, give me a like, subscribe, comment down below. And please share. Thanks.